mo ang first part ng Abot Kami ng Pangarap. Gusto ko lang sa kanya.
Oh, nanonood na si Miss Connie.
Of course.
Nakakatuwa lang kasi si Miss Connie, pag nagpakilala tayo sa kanya, updated siya sa atin. At nakakatuwa, nakakakilig na kilala niya tayo isa-isa. Diba? Such an honor, Mahal. Maraming salamat.
Part mo ang first part ng Abot Kami ng Pangarap. Gusto ko lang sa kanya.
Sorry, magpapas.
Gawin natin yan lang, gawin natin.
Gawin natin.
Ayun na. Ito na.
Kamusta yung baby mo?
Hi, boy. My son is very, very healthy and happy. Thank you so much for asking. Super kilig din na she's very updated in my life.
Thank you so much for checking up on us.
My son told me, especially Ellie, he was saying about my career, no? So sabi niya, no, you know, but I kind of ask permission if I'm gonna do a project. But ask permission, just notify them. And, sabi niya, Ma, naku, iyak ako. We see you at your happiest when you're doing what you love, which is acting. So, kaya tuloy-tuloy pa rin.
Very, very supportive po sa inyo.
Sana dulo na nag-base namin.
Hanggang sa huli.
Hanggang sa huli.
Yes.
Hanggang sa huli. Hanggang kaya pa. Hanggang pagkalaw ng Panginoon. There's so much to be grateful.